Tofflon was established in 1993. Expertise in biopharmaceutical. From core equipment to EPC one-stop solution, Tofflon is committed to creating efficient, compliant, and intelligent, complete manufacturing system for customers. Tofflon OSD mainly provide global customers with relevant products and technical services, including equipment supply, process support, and integrated solution. Core equipment: dispensing, crushing, and sieving, weight granulation line, roller compactor, blender, tablet press, capsule filling machine, pen coater. Achieving full integration of pharmaceutical processes. Process support with OSD laboratory, R&D and pilot experiments. Technology transfer services can be provided. Process testing of top spray, side spray, and bottom spray on multifunctional fluidized beds can be conducted. Process testing of tablet compressing, capsule filling, and coating are also supported. Integrated solutions. Containment plant. Intelligent plant. Continuous manufacturing system. Modular plant. Turnkey delivery in 6 months can be achieved. All factory acceptance tests are completed before delivery, including material testing, process airflow verification, and differential pressure testing. With deep-rooted global expertise, nearly 1,000 projects have been completed successfully with dedication. Empowered by high-quality pharmaceutical equipment and integrated solutions, Tofflon has established new industry benchmarks.